This white little outline line that you see many YouTubers doing in their thumbnails is amazing. It really makes a person to pop out from the thumbnail and get viewer attention. So how to do that? Well, in this video, I'll teach you exactly how to do this outline, both paid version with Photoshop and free version with Canva. So stay until the end of the video to learn the free option. And every little thing I mentioned will be in the description of this video. So let's start. Go to Photoshop, click on Create New, and choose the dimensions we need. Let's switch it to pixels. So for thumbnail, we're gonna need 1280 width and 720 height, and click on Create. Now let's drag and drop our picture. So let's say I want to choose this picture. Just drag and drop it on your canvas. Let's resize it. And now I just want to merge the background with the second layer. And now we're going to remove the background. There's many ways to remove background in Photoshop, and I like the easiest one, which is click on Select, then choose Subject, and Photoshop knows what is the subject of the picture, and it will do the selection for you. And it did a pretty good job. So now we just click on Select and Mask. Scroll down and Output to choose New Layer and click OK. And now we removed our background. The only thing we should do is to make our outline, but you can't really see it when you have transparent background. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill this with some color so you will see the outline. So we'll click on Layer, New Fill Layer, Solid Color. So right now I'm gonna choose red. Okay. Click OK. Now you just have to drag your picture up to be the first one, and here you see me on a background of pink. Now just to show you the outline, that's why I did all this pinkish background. You don't have to do that, and if you want transparent background, just leave it transparent and do this the next step. So the next step is to make the outline. Right click on your layer and go to blending option here on top, and here go to stroke. Now to adjust it, click on the stroke, and here you can adjust the size, how wide it is, if it's inside, outside, the opacity of the stroke, and the color. Let's make it white. Click OK. Click OK, and here is your outline. The only thing left is to export the file. You have quick export here, or you can go to File, click on Export, Quick Export as PNG, save. So now let me show you how to do the same thing, almost the same thing, but for free. For this, we're going to use Canva. Go to Canva, click on Create a Design. You can type YouTube, and it will give you the options. Choose YouTube thumbnail. It will give you the right dimensions. Now we have to upload picture without background. And if you have free version of Canva, you can't remove the background in Canva, but you can do it in other website. Go to a website called LunaPic. I will leave the link in the description of this video. And click on Upload and choose any picture. Let's say this one. Click Open. Now I want to remove this background. I'm going to Edit, scroll down to Transparent Background, choose it, and then click on the background. And here you go, you remove your background. You still see here some parts that didn't remove, the software didn't remove, so just go back and click here, Start Again, to move another area transparent. And then you have to click on another area, which is gonna be probably this one, and see what happens. then you do it more and more until you remove all the background. And also you have tools on the side here when you can use the eraser and erase it manually. After you remove your background and you're satisfied, click on Apply Changes, then scroll down and click on Save. Now go to Canva and upload your picture. Click on Upload the media, device, and choose the picture. Click on the picture. So first we have to make some nice color on the background so we can see our outline. So let's make it gray. And I did a pretty bad job on removing background, but I just wanted you to see the point I'm trying to make. Now what we have to do is to do the outline. And the best way to do that in Canva is just click on myself and click on this duplicate and make myself as white as I can. Go to Adjust and take the brightness all the way up and the contrast all the way up, saturation all the way down. Resize the duplicate that it will be a little bit bigger, and the only thing left is position yourself on the back. So just click on Position, Backward, and here you have an outline. And it's hard to see how good is the outline because I did a pretty bad job with the removing background. But if, for example, I'll choose another picture of myself without a background, for example this one. Click on your image, click on Duplicate, and now you doubled it. Now you have to make yourself as white as you can. Go to Adjust, take the brightness all the way up, take the contrast all the way up, and saturation all the way down. Now make your duplicate a little bit bigger and put it on the back by clicking on Position and clicking on Backward. And now you have a pretty nice outline. You can play with your original picture to move it and resize it accordingly to what you want to see. Let's do another try. Let's say this one. Duplicate, and here you duplicate yourself. Go to Adjust, take the brightness all the way up, take the contrast all the way up, take the saturation all the way down, make the duplicate a little bit bigger than your original, and replace it on the back by clicking on Position, Backward. And here you are, you have a pretty nice outline. Now let's make it bigger and we can really play with the line by moving the original. Here it goes. Now if you want to go take it a little bit farther and make it really nice, things I like to do is take this layer, click on Adjust and make it more blurred, and then it looks like a little shine or something, like it's shining or something. So here you go. Pretty nice, huh? This is the way you outline yourself for free with Canva. Now you know how to make those amazing thumbnails where you outlining yourself from the image. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.